Okay guys, for those who have seen the video about faulty electronics or what have you on home appliances that I've done on the made the video in that and brought it to attention a bit more, I've said I'd like this model. Got my trusty pin to open up sides. What we've got in here, we've got obviously the slots for the bread or your buns, and then we've got a crumb tray which says it's letter A. So there's a crumb tray up there. Normally crumb trays are down here, so I don't know why the A is so high. We'll find out. And then obviously the loading slots, just slot them down once you've got the bread in. A defrost button, that's that one there. So there's a browning control, and then if you press that button in, it cancels it. And then you've got a reheat button there. So you've got a moulded plug, but it is quite a short lead. It's about 1/2 metre long, maybe a bit more than 1/2 metre. So plug that in, a 240 socket. This is where my toaster used to be before, next to my DeLonghi coffee machine, which I've reviewed. So this is in now, this is plugged in. Styling, it's not quite nice. It's got a little bit of a curve there, a little bit of a curve there. See if there's a little spark in here. Well look, the lights come on this time for this one, and that cancels it. It's, I quite like the operation of it. It feels very easy and light. They close really nicely. Let me see. Now once it's on, you could literally lift up your toast to have a preview. So that's good. And then you've got your dial, so you turn that for your desired amount of toasting. Usually whenever I've used them, they've always been about 2.5 and 3. So I'm going to set it 2.5. If it's not enough, I can do it a bit more. And yeah, these are touch. So let's see what happens when I touch them. There we go. So it's looking quite nice. I want chrome. I think this wasn't many colours they had, and the only colours I want is generally silver in here. Now I can smell a bit with that. There's a bit of chemicals coming off where they've manufactured this. It probably does say in the instructions. I wouldn't be surprised if it says put it on for 1 round without any toast. That way any chemicals and toxicants can evaporate. So I'll probably stand clear of it as well. But it's not go on your food, your bread and that, to change the flavour and make you will and stuff. There's a lot of heat coming up there. Let's see how they heat up. And I'll turn off my little lights above, and we can see how evenly. Now this one here is looking a lot of bars heating up. That one's not bad. Yeah, some of them are not lighting up in there. This side, pretty good. That's good. Well, the camera's picking up in that middle one. There's a few missing that aren't properly on in there. It's rather frustrating. I know a lot of people find it a bit annoying. There are quite a few lit. When they go like that, I mean, I think you can do it when it's turned off. You can potentially, I don't want to encourage anyone to do that, but don't do it when it's on. But you know, I've put a really thin knife in and lifted them out a little bit, so they raise up. So if you can see those, they're raised up at a curve. Let's see if I can get a better picture. So I basically just pull them out, just slightly sticking out. And but that's if you're getting a problem with it uneven toasting. It's just like a thing in the manufacturer, and it's all toasters have the same problem. Although I haven't tried a whole range of toasters like I have coffee machines, so I can't say for definite. But no, I quite like this. Nice and easy to operate. It's really light. There's hardly any friction there. With it being different from when there's bread in there. But the way these lights come on and that, and the touch of it, more of them are becoming touch. You know, touch has been around for a long time. More nowadays, they are becoming touch. So you don't have buttons that are protruding or you got to click. You just literally touch them. So that's pretty cool. So if this video's helped you in any way to preview this product, please like and please subscribe, because I'm always videoing tech, giving you the specs. If you want to know any specs on this, I will reply to any comments and I will potentially update the description with any particular specs you want, like how many watts it might use and things like that. More fingerprints. Seems to be a bit of a fingerprint magnet.